It's almost time for back to school this Saturday. The T. Leroy Jefferson Medical Society is hosting the 23rd annual Back to School Community Health Fair in Riviera Beach. Joining us to talk about this are Dr. Flora Bensi-Inchill and Dr. Kitanga Camino from the T. Leroy Jefferson Doctors. Thank you so much for being with us. Really appreciate it. 23 years. That's a great accomplishment, and you've helped a lot of people in the community. First, Dr. Flores, tell us about the health fair. What can families expect if they go?
So yes, thank you for having us here. We're very excited about this year's event. We're going to be doing the back to school program. We're going to have physicals, hearing screenings, dental screenings, vision screenings, and then also one of the things we're excited about is Diabetes Coalition is going to be there, so we're going to be talking to parents about diabetes. We're also going to be talking HIV testing and counseling, and a host of different things. Really, we're going to have obviously backpacks for the students, so we're very excited for the community to come out and have fun with us. We're going to have food and different things to really engage with the community and help our underserved population.
Absolutely. And Dr. K, this year's theme is Healthy Hearts and Healthy Minds. Tell us about that and why the community events like this are so important. We see it was a really good turnout over the past years.
Yes, thank you. Once again, we find that these events are very important in the community because we see a lot of underserved individuals and families who still do not have access to the very simple things they need before going back to school, meaning physicals, the screenings. And so this event continues to be very important in these communities, and we look forward to doing it.
And I want to make a point here. It's for uninsured people as well?
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
and I think that's very important to highlight because a lot of people don't have insurance. So this really is, it can be life-saving in some instances, I assume. And so when people come, what is the reaction when they get these health screenings for free? Is there a sense of gratefulness?
Most definitely. I mean, parents come, and we do surveys afterwards to really make sure that we're hitting the points that we want to, and we always get great feedback about how grateful they are to have us, especially, doctors that really, it's all volunteer.
Yeah.
So we come into the community to work with them, and one of the things we're excited about this year is CPR training.
Oh, great.
Yes, so that's very, very exciting for us to really get the parents and family involved and really just take care of themselves and be advocates for themselves.
CPR is so important. And the T. Leroy Jefferson, you all partner with people in the community. Can you talk about how that works, Dr. K?
Yeah, so we've been fortunate to have many sponsors and funders, including the Kiwanis Club of West Side, the Valley Bank, and especially Jack and Jill of America Foundation. But, this event wouldn't happen without the support of Black Nurses of Palm Beach, the Black Nurse Practitioners of Palm Beach, and then we have a slew of other vendors that are going to be coming, giving, the families the very education that Dr. Flores is talking about.
This is so important. And Dr. Flores, for one last time, tell us when this will happen, how people can come.
So it's this very Saturday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the Boys and Girls Club in Riviera Beach. So come see us there, come be a part of it.
And very important too that it's back to school. Like you said, you can get those supplies, a backpack.
Yes,
which
free
is so
backpack,
important.
yes, with all the supplies they need for the first day of school. And then of course physicals and vaccinations to make sure that they are ready and prepared to go back to school.
All right, thank you so much for all the work you do in the community, number one, and then number two, just having this for so many people who need it. And if you're listening to this and want to take advantage, there is an article right now up on our website, WPBF.com. We have a link to their website and all the details you need to know about. Vanessa?